Please start, Woon.
Hi, I'm going to introduce 5 facts of Switzerland. First, Switzerland capital is Bern. Bern is known as a beautiful city. As you see these pictures, Bern still has many features of the Middle Ages. Second, Switzerland can be divided into 3 regions. The Jura Mountains, Midland, and the Alps. Jura Mountains mostly consists of grassland, and Midland is an agricultural area. The Alps consists of glacier, valley, and crag. Third, Swiss monetary unit is Swiss franc. This one is 1 franc coin, and this one is 10 francs bill. Fourth, Swatch is a Swiss watch brand. This is introduced in 1983. Swatch not only sells watches but also sells many accessories. The last, yodel is famous for. Switzerland is famous for yodel. When you sing yodel, you need to use chest voice and hi-hat voice. Thank you for listening.
Okay. Can you show me how to yodel, Woon?
No, I can't sing.
Can you just try? Just a little bit.